Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enter split screen on Motorola Moto G52. Let's go! So, the only thing we need to do is we need to open apps like Google and, for example, YouTube. Don't allow it. Okay, then we click here the square button and you hold here. Then you do split top and tap another app to use split screen here, for example. And I have here notifications, so it doesn't matter, but you can see to music and do something other. You can change it here, as you can see. Okay guys, so thank you for watching, have a good day, goodbye.